Mucirithania wa igoti ria Naikuru Julius Nangea niwe uheanite itua riri na guthinekania cira uyu kumana na wagi wa wira wa kuigana wa gũkuruhania maabitha ruhonge rwa KWS na kũũra kwa mũtegi wa thamaki niwe Brian Odhaimbo.
The court ruled that it is persuaded that the DCIO Nakuru East Sub-County and the in charge KWS do not know where Brian is, and therefore they are unable to produce him.
We are extremely disappointed by the decision of the court. It is our firm belief that there's been a grave miscarriage of justice, and we have set a very bad precedent with this particular decision.
Nĩ itua rĩtigĩte andũ a family ya Brian na arata mamũcete ngoro ciao ndeto ĩrĩa ĩtumũrire ũgĩthagathaga kĩa ihinda igoti-inĩ rĩa Naikuru.
Naomba tu haki ya mtoto wangu itendeke. KWS walichukua mtoto wangu na wanajua kwenye yako. Wanitolee tu mtoto wangu, wasikate nauri kwa kota ati mtoto hakuna. Mtoto wangu wako nayo na wanajua kwenye yako. Wanitolee tu.
If us who are not part of the family and we can feel the pain, what of the family? And the confidence that we had, how more will we have? This is what is causing the commotion.
And it is very sad. I have never expected this from a court of justice. That the DCI, which is a wing, or which is the department bestowed the responsibility to investigate, found the 6 officers culpable and recommended for their prosecution. Yes. Now what does the DPP does? He sits on the file.
Kumana na itua riri family na mawakiri riu makiranira gucokia cira uyu riko guthingiriria igoti ritie maabitha 6 wa KWS aria mekwagirwo kunyita mũtegi uyu wa thamaki marangithio mbao-ini kuona igoti riri ritinaheana ihinda ria guthikiririo kwa ira na ekwirwo acio 6.
This is an extremely bad precedent. That's why we have insisted to the council to make sure that they appeal this decision, because what it does is encourage impunity in the security agencies of this country.
We have here at the High Court, we have all the way to the Supreme Court if we have to get there. You get me? In case we could even go to the ICC. We have all those channels. Why can't we pursue them?
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Robert wa Maina.